Hey guys! Today I'm going to do a science experiment about mixtures. Let's start! Here are the materials. A magnet, thumbtacks, a bowl, and some sand. Now I'm gonna put the sand in. And now I'm going to put the thumbtacks in. Mixing time! Alright, they are now covered. So I'm going to put the handkerchief in. I'm gonna cover the magnet with the handkerchief. And now, ooh! Yes! So, the thumbtacks got separated from the sand. Conclusion: there are certain substances we mix but they do not combine and therefore can be separated. These substances are called mixtures. It is essential to the chemical processes that support living things as well as those that occur every day in non-living thing objects. Elements and molecules in mixtures remain the same substances. Hello, welcome to the end. I hope you enjoyed. For more videos like this, you can subscribe. It can help me a lot. Bye! Thanks for watching!